Today I'm going to show you how to make the best dinner rolls ever. They are so soft and fluffy and buttery. They are just delicious. First, we are going to add 3 cups of flour to our mixer. Along with 2 packets of Rapid Rise Instant Yeast, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1½ cups of warm milk, and 5 tablespoons of butter, 1 egg at room temperature. And we're going to mix that up with our dough hook. Make sure to scrape the sides and then mix again. Next, we're going to add in 1/2 cup of flour and mix until incorporated. We just do 1/2 cup at a time. That way we don't over add flour. Still looks sticky, so we're going to add another 1/2 cup of flour and repeat on medium speed. Here is another 1/2 cup of flour. So that was about 4½ cups of flour. Knead the dough for about 2 minutes altogether. We're going to use some cooking spray and spray around our bowl. Get all our dough off of the dough hook and drop it into the bottom of the greased bowl. We're going to cover it with some sprayed plastic wrap and let it rise for about 30 minutes until doubled in size. Here's our rised dough. We're going to punch it down and then pull off little balls of dough and just shape it into a roll, tucking the edges underneath to make a round ball. You want to do about the same size dough pieces, and I got about 24 out of these. And you lay them in your greased baking dish. I used a 13x9 pan. Cover it with a greased piece of plastic wrap or a towel and let rise again for 30 minutes. We are going to bake in a preheated oven set at 375 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Here I am buttering the rolls. I love to add butter to my rolls, and they are delicious. They're soft and buttery, perfect to pair with your next meal. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.